How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the Your Activity tab and then tap on the Activity Log option you see there. Next, tap on the Activity History option you see there and then select the Filters option. Here you will see the option for categories. Tap on that and then tap on the Your Facebook Activity drop-down you see there. Further, tap on the Comments and Reactions drop-down and then select the Likes and Reactions. Now, in order to view your Reel history, it is important that you have liked or commented or reacted to that particular Reel. So all your reactions will be saved in this particular interface. Simply tap on the three dot beside the Reel that you want to remove from your history and you will see the option for unlike. Tap on that and with this, the history will be removed from your Facebook. So, this is how you can delete Reels history on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.